Many investors, especially the small investors, do not often possess adequate expertise, knowledge to take informed investment decision. Many of them are not aware of the risk return policies of various investment products. A large number of investors are not fully aware of the precautions they should take while dealing with the market intermediaries. Many are not familiar with the market mechanism and practices as well as with their right and obligation. These are substantially fluid by the huge reward to some investments have the potential to offer. At the same time, wrong investment decision can lead to huge loss too. So investor, be aware. Okay, be aware should be the watchwords. As all investments have some risk element, this should be borne in mind by the investors. If caution is thrown to the winds, they have only to blame themselves. Investing well has a secret formula. Having the right information, this is the number one. Having the right information. Number two is planning. Number three is making good choice. Welcome friends, my name is Suraj and you are watching YouSun. Now in this video we are talking about that how to become a informed investors, right? Now here this is the basics we are going to start about that how to invest. If you are a beginner or if you are going to invest in any investments, those knowledge, those information you should have before you put your money into the market. Okay, so before we start, right, I would like to request you to please subscribe the channel and hit the like button to get a regular video on stock markets, investments related video on YouTube. Now, Investor Education and Protection Fund managed by the Minister of Corporate Affairs has been established under the Companion Act 1956 for promotion of investors' awareness and protection of the interest of investors. Activities undertaken by the IEPF include educating and creating awareness among investors. So various information is available on internet, you can go and learn. So here in this video I will also try to give you some sort of information, the right information. Okay, so let's first tell you some knowledge source where you can gain your knowledge, where you can get more authentic knowledge source. Right now this is the the day of internet. You have internet, but the wrong information is also available on internet, so you need to filter it. So here I am giving you some source where you can get some authentic, even government recommended sources. First is iepf.gov.in. This website is fulfill the needs for an information resource for small investors on all aspects of the capital market and does it in the small investors language. These websites presently cover information on IPO investing, mutual funds, investing stocks, trading, depository accounts, debt market, derivatives, indicators, index funds, investors, grievance, attributes, a lot. Investor rights and obligation, do's and don'ts, etc. etc. This website is now available in English, Hindi and major other religion language. Now iepf.gov.in, you can go on Google, search it and read on it, right? Even though some others websites also is available, for example Money Control, okay, Investopedia. I will tell you one by one. So the second one is watchoutinvestors.com, right? The best define against fraud is precaution. This first to its kind in the world free public service arms the investors with an precautionary tools to protect themselves from fraudulent, non-compliant companies, intermediates and individuals. This website is now a nation web-based registry of such entities. Watchoutinvestors.com, right? So watchoutinvestor.com enable investors to do a fast, efficient and user-friendly search It provides investors information on such entities, persons who have been indicated by various regulators codes. This information can be used by the investors, prospective investors while making investments, and can also be used for reviewing their portfolio, vice versa such entities. As of 31st May 2011, the websites had listed over 1,132,000 indicates non-compliant, non-existent entities covering more than 95,000 companies, frame, and over 37 individuals. Those rated of the order passed by the several regulatory bodies such as SEB, BSE, CDSL, CLB, DRT, EPO, FOA, and lots of RBI, SEBI, etc. Now come to the third website, right? Who can give you the right source of knowledge? InvestorsHelpline.in. First I talk about iepf.gov.in, watchoutinvestors.gov.in, investors. The third one is the InvestorsHelpline.in. So this is a dedicated free of charge portal to handle investors' grievance relating to various authorities like Minister of Corporate Affairs, Registers of Companies, Securities and Exchange Board of India, and Reserve Bank of India. Right. So complaints are taken up by the websites for redress both with the companies and with the concerned regulators. Investor can log in their grievance related to the capital market and company deposit in easy to fill form and track progress of their grievance residual online. So these three websites I am going to share you. I also give you the link on the description below. You can go and check. Okay, now for more I will give you in this on the description list I will give you some more websites link. You can go and check it out, okay, and study on it, and go on these very websites and check yourself, read the articles, the everything, open every page and go what is written on that very page, how the body, how the market work you need to know, and this source will help you to acquire some knowledge, and they will give you some correct information, right? So I hope guys you like this video, and keep watching, and this is the part 1. Okay, for part 2 go for a next video, okay, where I am discussing the why is investing is important, right? So go and watch this. Thank you and keep watching.